Let there be light. Alright. So today I need a chainsaw, a couple of them. I gotta empty out my trailer, put that on the side of the road for everybody else to take, and I have to take down some trees, some dead trees, actually, matter of fact. So actually, I'm gonna get all my saws and everything, and we're gonna go get some gas. I think you guys might be fogging up. No, maybe not. Cool. Well, I'm gonna get everything ready and see you guys in just a little bit. All right, folks, so we're in the truck. I got the trailer down there behind me, and getting ready to go see if the mister is home. I gave him a call. I told him earlier this week that I'd be by before the weekend. It's Friday. He told me just to call him, so I called him. He didn't pick up, but I left him a message. He usually doesn't pick up because he's got a home phone, but I'm going to get some gas right now and fill up my little tanks of my premix gas, and let's hope that he's home. All right, guys, so he answered. So we're gonna have some fun today. We're gonna take this tree out right here. This little dead sucker. And take her out. She's kind of leaning up against this other tree here. But I'm gonna bang some wedges in it and try to get fall here, and I'm gonna have him move his truck. We're gonna cut some of these old branches off first. Try to eliminate the impact.
Get shot across the driveway. I'm gonna take this old rickety looking thing here. Check this sucker out.
This thing is ratchet. Oh, the good thing about cutting this one down though is we're in the shade. That's always good down here when it's over 100. So yeah, this one's gonna be fun, guys. So we got some clearance between this and there, but I'm still gonna be safe and chunk it out. And it's 3 trees growing out of one stump. We got some power lines here. And it's nothing that we can climb. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my pole saw, and I'm just gonna make some cuts. Safely get that out of the tree line's way. And then I'll just fell them separately like that. And we'll go from there. Boy, oh boy. Got my trusty wagon with my tools in it. I'm gonna get gloved up and start cutting. Brother? Yes, sir. most important thing when cutting these big old dead trees that hang over power lines is you seriously have to take your time. You know, this was, I was hoping that it would be like a 2-hour job, but you know, I have no problem with it being 4, because you gotta guess and guess again, measure 5 times, cut once. Anyways, I'm about to clean all this up. Guys, I want to just finish that tree job. Took longer than I thought it was going to take. That's only because I didn't have any help today. You know, it's the 3rd of July. Even though it's not the 4th, I didn't really want to ask anybody to help me on days like today, because I know that I'm not the type to say, okay, come help me for an hour and take off. I want some help, you know, but I'm also the guy who will pay to get good help. You know, I'd rather pay one guy $200 for a hard day's work for 6 hours than pay 3 guys $50 a day, you know, for shit work. Now, that job, I kind of messed up. I didn't mess up the price, because anytime you're walking away with like $400 in less than 8 hours, you know, even once you take, you know, the taxes out and the price of gas and all that stuff out, you're making better money than most people would at a day job. It is a Saturday, but here's the thing: I love what I do. I love doing this. But here's the deal. Don't be afraid to hire work. Don't be afraid to say, hey, ma'am, I know I told you I could get both of these trees down today, but is it okay with you if I come back next week around this same time? And here's why. I'm not going to go into the details as to why I had to do that today, but sometimes you have to. Whether it's for a safety reason or actually whatever. My reason was today we have lightning and thunder and it's pouring rain, and operating a power saw in conditions like that just isn't safe. Climbing up on a ladder and all that in a tree is not safe. You know, all your knots are getting wet and it's not safe. And he was fine. You know, but they paid me accordingly today, and they're only holding back the amount of money that it's going to, you know, cost me to take down the other tree, which, mind you, will only take me literally 2 hours max. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to remind you to stay safe. If you're working with chainsaws, remember, after every couple sessions, you dig into that log. Make sure you're checking your chain. Make sure it's, you know, snug, not too snug. Make sure you got your bar oil in there, and put your ears on. Because I started hacking away at this log today and forgot my ears until I stopped the saw, and all of a sudden my ears were ringing. You know, keep your eyes protected and everything, and stay safe. Take it easy, guys.